What is going on? So, we're gonna attempt to take y'all through a vlog today. Don't mind my ugly face. It's a wake up face.
Good morning, guys.
This is my early morning face.
Yeah, mine too.
So, we it's like, what, 10 a.m. on a Sunday. We just got out of bed. We've been awake for like an hour or so maybe. We're just like watching some YouTube and just kind of hanging out and whatnot. Taking it easy, because that's what you do. You gotta take it easy sometimes. And we're about to head down to the kitchen right now and cook us up some breakfast. I need to show you something. Kids, I need to show you something. Come here. No, look at this one. Look at this one. Unlock, open the door. What is it? What is it? Yeah, she's definitely a spaz attack for sure. Like almost always. As you can see, it's snowing out here. May not be super fantastic to anybody that lives in the code, but for those of you who live in the south more, you know, this is something that's pretty damn awesome. Snow's pretty cool. There's really not hardly any snow on the ground. I don't think it's gonna stick. It sounds very icy actually. And also ignore that right there. That's because we got backed up on trash from buying a lot of stuff. Leah, it's cold.
I told you the snow would be bad.
You gotta talk to the camera when it's pointing at you.
I told you.
Oh.
That the snow would be bad.
Okay. Yeah, so
shut your face.
I'm not gonna be retarded. I'm going back inside. My nipples are cold.
Really? You see the snow?
There's snow on here.
What is that? Oh, don't lick that. That's plastic.
So sick.
Yeah, don't lick that. For real, for real.
Are you
There's
done?
snow.
Okay, are you done?
It's cold out there, dude.
Hey guys, welcome back to Family and Fit. Good morning. I am gonna start the morning off with breakfast. I'm gonna show you the ingredients of what I'm cooking today. I'm cooking some eggs and ham, so I'll show you that. So I have to cook a lot because I have like 4 kids. Sorry, it's kind of early in the morning. I'm like, I do use the Fit and Active egg whites. This is the second eggs that I use. This is really good. Egg whites are my favorite. So if you guys like egg whites, try these. They're really good. So I add some pepper to it. I'm going to add a lot of pepper because I'm going to mix it up and put some salt in it. And then you have to have Tony Ketchers. Tony Ketchers is really good. So you have to have like a little dab of Tony Ketchers. See? Tony Ketchers. Oh, it's amazing. You can eat this in like every single food. Tony Ketchers, it tastes good in everything. So, if you want to try Tony's Ketchers, I recommend you to. It's really good as well. So, I just got the new thing of ham out of the fridge. It is honey smoked ham, really good. So, I'm going to dice these up and put them in here. Oh. First, I'll show you. So I got the eggs. This is the ham. I'm gonna put a bell pepper in it and an onion. So here's what it looks like with all the ham. That's what it looks like. So So this is what it looks like with the bell peppers, the onions, and the ham inside of it. And so now I'm gonna cook it up, and I'll catch you in a bit. So, hi guys, welcome back. So this is the finished product right here. I am gonna add some cheese, put some cheese over it, and then that will be our breakfast / lunch, because now it is like 12:41. So probably be lunch really. So like a brunch is what we're gonna have. So yep. Oh, and I did add tuna catchers, some salt, and some pepper. So, yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna add some cheese. It's the Mexican blend, the Mexican blend, reduced fat. So for 1/4 of a cup, it is 90 calories. So I will be adding 90 calories to all this. This is probably like, I would say, probably like 200 or 300 calories, 200 or like 390 calories or something, which is not bad, because then we will not eat again until lunch, or maybe, until dinner. Maybe have a protein shake between then, but probably this will be it until dinner. So, yep, I will catch you guys. Oh, here, let me put the cheese on it. You know, add the cheese. Sprinkle cheese on it. Okay, so here's with the cheese on it. It was really good. So I'll catch you guys in a bit.